guys, welcome back. So today is going to be a tutorial. It's just going to be an eye tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I did this deep sultry blue smoky eye using Patrick Starr's new eyeshadow palette. You guys, I've been dying to use this palette. I bought it about a week ago when it came out, and it's this guy here. It's the one size Patrick Starr Visionary eyeshadow palette. Comes in this packaging here. Very nice and colorful. Look at this pretty rosy metallic rose pink color. Like, it is so gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Like, just the way it's made, so nice. The mirror is huge on this thing. Like, this whole top part is just straight mirror. These are the colors here. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful blue, golden green color, chocolate, nice blending color, some earth tone cream colors for the lid. Like, I'm excited to play around with some looks with this palette. Like, I haven't been that excited to play with color on the eyes in a while. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so we are gonna jump right into it. To prime my eyes, we are gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's just a tad bit lighter than my skin tone. This is what I highlight with in the color Tan Walnut. So this is what I'm gonna use. So just a tiny bit of this, and we're gonna kind of sculpt the eye out, put a little bit on the back of my hand like that. And just a flat concealer brush.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart.
That, and drag it down. Cover the lid.
With you, I know that this is all.
I think it's a clean brush.
Take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy.
And you guys, I got the new Laura Mercier powder and honey. I did a YouTube live last week, and a couple of y'all were asking me to do a review on this. So I am gonna do a review on this, but so I just got like the small one at Sephora, and it looks like a honey yellow type of, like a banana powder type of color, but softer, not as yellow. And I'm just gonna take a tiny bit on here and lightly kind of set that concealer, just very lightly, and actually the brow as well. So lightly set all over here. I'm gonna go into Booked first, which is this color here, Booked. We're gonna cut the crease a little bit so we can go ahead and pack that blue on there. Now, you guys, we are gonna go in with Blue Mondew. So now I'm going to go in with Brownie, which is this brown color. I'm going to mix, because it's not as deep as I want it, so I'm going to mix it with Turban Legend, which is the black one. So I'm going to mix Brownie with some Turban Legend, the black color. Yeah. So for eyebrows, you guys, I'm going to use the Lamink Love and Makeup and Kindness is what it stands for. Her eyebrow kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I will jump right back. Okay, you guys, so now for lashes, we are gonna be using Socialite Mink Lash in the style Day Party, you guys. That's what we're gonna be using. So we're gonna pop those on. Now you see me. Okay. Too cute. I think I love it. So I'm gonna just do the rest of my face and you guys just watch me, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away that powder. This blue is on here, y'all. I hope you can't see it. The blue ain't no joke. I would say like do your eyes first before you do the rest of your face so you don't have blue all over like I do. But we're gonna work this out some type of way. Okay, just lightly set here where I see a little oily. We're gonna do a little. And you guys, this is all with the new honey powder from Laura Mercier. But I'm gonna do a separate review on that, you guys. I'm not quite sure how I feel, but I'm thinking it just gives a slight golden tint, which makes it a little different than just the straight translucent, which is what I typically use. I did use it on a client and I kind of liked it. Okay, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha. I haven't used this in a while. The True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. The medium to dark. I'm going to take the darkest one and deepen the contour. I'm gonna take Milani Fantastic and Gold highlighter. And just a little bit of the Becca highlighter in Opal. Pretty. I never do blush, you guys, but I'm gonna take a Milani brush in Rose d'Oro, one of their baked blushes. Has gold reflex in it. The lip bar has mascara, you guys. The lip bar mascara. And we're going to be really understated for the lips. I'm just going to do a gloss only and that's it. Just a gloss. So for the gloss, I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. Very pretty gloss. This is the look, guys. This is it. This is the look. Get into the look. This is it. I'm happy with how it turned out, you guys. I love it. So yeah, that's the look, you guys. I enjoyed playing with these colors today. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you want to see more videos like this. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.